Now, so hello guys, I'm Kavita from Uttarakhand, from Holy Land of Uttarakhand. So I'm making video after long because I didn't shoot any single moment just last week because of some hectic schedules. Okay, during this week I had to do lot of work, so I did all these works because it's my responsibility. So yeah, now it's time to pick up my son from his school, so let's go. Okay, he come back he comes back. Okay, because I turn off the light and now it could be dark, bit dark. Now I'm going to pick up my son because his school runs from 7:30 to 11:30. Okay, I'm making this video in the late morning, so it's shouting area, so I don't make videos, don't make shoot, because what I say you can't listen me. I forgot something guys, so I have to come again inside because I have to pay the fees of this month in this school. So I try to pay it proper time because I don't feel it do anything delay. Okay, so I'll see you after some time. So okay guys, now I took some time for myself and because I want to talk to you after long. I'm talking to you and I'm making video properly, not properly, yeah, I started my to make my video today, I think after 11 in the morning, because before that I did my all household chores. And as you know, we have lot of work we have to do at our home, because if you are a housewife, so you have to do every single things. Okay, whether that is sweeping, mopping, do dishes, laundry, and we have to do lot of things. So right now I got some time for myself, so I thought why not I have to talk with you. And right now I'm on my terrace. I want to tell you something guys, because I didn't shoot any single moment last week because my in-law, my mother-in-law got operation of gallbladder stone, so I have to look after. I had to look after, and I can't say had to because that's our duty, that's our responsibilities, and it's our pleasure that we got that moment, we got that opportunity, that we are doing something for our in-laws. So there is no any worry to do anything. We shouldn't be worried to do anything for our in-laws, for our parents, for you know because they also do lot of things for us. So okay, even so I want to tell you, I had to go, you know uh, I had to go again and again hospital for my you know in-laws, my mother-in-law. So I didn't shoot any single moment. That's the reason I'm saying here, because lot of times we don't know when will come any kind of problems and when we have to go through. So there are lot of circumstances we have to face in our life, because it's a life and changing is must. Okay, if change will happen, so then we will grow, and then another things will come in our lives. So it's our life and we have to enjoy every single moment, and I try to enjoy my life and every single moment without taking miserable, without taking any stress. Okay, we have to get rid of our stress too, because without get rid of our stress we can't do anything. If you are in depression, if you are in stress, so how will you do anything? Okay, and even if you want to speak English too, So you have to be confident. Okay, if you are confident to speak in front of anyone, whether that is not correct, but you have, if you are confident, yeah, I can do this, I will speak it in front of anyone, so you can. Even I don't know more words, more vocabulary, more right pronunciation, but I want to speak it because I obsessed. I'm fascinating to speak it. I really, I literally tell you guys, I'm very fascinating. Okay, it fascinates me a lot to speak. Okay, so many people say you don't know anything, you don't have much vocabulary, you don't have, your accent is very okay, but doesn't matter what people says. Okay, it's your life and you have to judge where you feel happy. No one make you happy if you don't make yourself happy. So be happy, healthy. No, first if you be happy, okay, if you stay happy, then you will be healthy. And when you will be happy, healthy, then you will do anything. Doesn't matter what people say. People always says if you do any right thing or wrong. Okay, if you do any right thing, also people says about you. What are they doing? What she's doing? Doesn't matter. Why we have to think? Why we have to think much? It's our life, and we know we are doing great, and what we are doing, that is better. We are not doing any wrong things. We are not going any wrong path. So why we have to be upset? Why we take any stress? Okay, so everyone should be happy, and because it's our responsibility to take care of ourselves too. If you take care of yourself, then you will take care of others. Okay, without taking yourself, without take care of yourself, first it's need and it's your responsibility to look after yourself, then you make another happy. First it's your responsibility, make yourself happy. First it's your responsibility, make yourself happy, then you try to make another happy. Okay, because no one make you happy, no one feel for you, you have to think for yourself. Okay, so I just want to say, okay, so it's for my today, and right now I'm sitting, I just sat here and I just came here for you guys, because I don't want to give any kind of excuses much further in my life, because as you know, lot of scenarios, lot of circumstances everyone have to go through. So we can't deny them, but we can't be upset just thinking for them. Okay, so you do all these things what you get. Okay, and be happy, be safe, and be healthy, be fit as a fiddle, stay fit as a fiddle. Okay, chalo.
Hello friends, my name is Amashu. I am presenting here.
I'm reciting a poem.
I reciting poem. Humpty Dumpty Satana. Humpty Dumpty.
Speak loudly, Baba.
All the king calls. Humpty Dumpty together again.
And next one, ding dong.
Dong bell. Who sing the bell? Who put her in? Did it on me tin? Who put her out? Did it on me it out? What a naughty boy, where? That who very poor pussycat.
Well done. A great applause for yourself, Baba.
Thank you.
Most chalo, very good. You did a great job. Okay. Now, she is my mother-in-law. She is lying down on her bed, and along with she is watching her phone.
मेरी वीडियो बनाओ.
Okay, now start. My son is saying again, you make my video.
Hello friend, my name is Amashu. My school name is Vidal Patel. I am 4 years old. I live in the Nagpur. I go to LKG. Thank you.
I study in class LKG. Say.
Hello friend, my name is Emma Sundar. I call my name is Public School. I am 4 years old. I live in Tanapur. Thank you, Babu.
Very good. Give a great applause for Shama Singh Deupa. Well done, well done. You did a great job. You did a great job. Okay. So now, what do you want to say to our viewers? Want to say anything to our viewers? Say.
हम सोच रहे हैं कि हमको मोमो खाना है.
Do you like momos?
हाँ.
Why? But momos are not healthy for our health, na?
तो हमको लग रहा है हमको दाल चावल खाना है.
Yes, of
और
course.
हमको एप्पल खाना है.
Yes,
और हमको संतरा खाना है.
yes,
और
and
हमको
yes, we should try to eat.
मैंगो खाना है.
Yes, we should try
और
to eat
हमको केला
healthy,
खाना है.
healthy,
और
healthy food.
हमको केला खाना है.
Yes,
और
kela.
हमको
What
तरबूज
is kela
खाना
in English?
बनाना.
What is
बनाना को
and save?
बनाना को कहते केले.
What we can say? Save in English?
और हम तरबूज खाएंगे.
Tabus.
हाँ.
What we can say tarboos in English?
और उसका छोटा भाई
What we can say tarboos in English?
वाटरमेलन.
And save?
और हम तरबूज के भाई को
He
खाएंगे.
doesn't want to listen to me. He doesn't want to hear me
और हम
anytime.
सोच रहे हैं हम तरबूज के भाई को खाएंगे वाटरमेलन को.
Oh my God, muskmelon. Oh, that's a younger brother of watermelon.
वाटरमेलन के भाई को खाते हैं.
Okay, yes, younger brother of watermelon. Muskmelon is the younger brother of watermelon. Yes. And what's your name? What's your mother's name?
My mother name is Miss Kavita.
Mrs. Kavita.
और my father name is Mr. Govind Singh Rupa.
Yes. Now, where is your father?
Office.
Office. Okay. What is your school name?
Vision Public School.
Great. Now, what do you want to say to your viewers? So, please like,
To channel.
share,
Subscribe.
yes, to our channel. Okay. We will make such as videos. If you like that, that's the reason why we will make without your support.
वीडियो को लाइक करो. अगर गंदे लग रहा है तो इस वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करो.
Okay. So please make sure
तो
like, share, and subscribe this channel.
अगर